The main changes of the new car focus on the details of the exterior and interior. Tuning: the range extender has been replaced by the 1.5L turbocharged engine from Dongan Power, which meets the national 6B emission standard and has a maximum output of 110 kilowatts, 150 kilowatts. In addition, the new Lantu Free is equipped with the Baidu Apollo Highway Driving Pro intelligent driving system, which is also the first model Lantu and Baidu Apollo collaborated on. The front-face design of the new Lantu Free is based on the previous generation flat waterfall grille and flattened, and the three-layer air intake is made of visual difference, full of three-dimensional effect, and the shape of the center grille, light wave rhythm, is called the air intake grille. The lower enclosure is outlined by the intersection of several more avant-garde straight lines. The entire front end is more expressive than the previous model, full of power and sportiness. When the logo is centered, the flying wing-type light strips rising and extending to both sides are preserved and easily noticed. The side design is also full of dynamics. The low stance and star ring 5-spoke dynamic wheels make the new Lantu Free look extremely sporty. The taillights at the rear of the car and the water return taillights and the upper tail, which continues the previous generation, are reported to be an interstellar aircraft as the inspiration for a new design. The newly added rear diffuser design allows a sports car to expand outward and also has an aerodynamic effect. In terms of interior, the interior of the new car has fundamentally not changed much. The 1066mm long integrated lift triple screen is still preserved, and the Qualcomm 8155 chip is still standard. The biggest change is in the gear lever area of the current model. The new car has a pregnant gear design and has received 250W suspended wireless fast charging panels instead of the original gear lever. Also in the back row, at the air outlet position, music playback control, sunroof/canopy adjustment, off-screen display, brightness adjustment, etc. It features a new integrated touchscreen that supports the features and provides comfort and convenience to the rear passengers. In terms of power, the actual model is an extended range model, and the engine has not changed much. It is still equipped with front and rear dual motors and intelligent electric four-wheel drive. The maximum power of the front engine is 160 kilowatts, the maximum power of the rear engine is 200 kilowatts, the total system power is 360 kilowatts, and the total torque, the 720 Newton-meters, has been replaced by the range extender Dongan Power's 1.5L hybrid special engine. The thermal efficiency can exceed 42%, and with a maximum power of 110 kilowatts, 150 horsepower, it meets the China 6B emission standards. At present, some parameters of the battery have not yet been disclosed, but the overall battery life of the new car has been greatly improved from 960 kilometers in the current model to 1,201 kilometers. In addition to engine optimization, the battery capacity is also expected to increase. In terms of chassis, the new car adopts the front double wishbone rear 5-link aluminum alloy chassis, and the rear suspension of the current model is a multi-link structure. The new changes will also bring excellent handling stability and further improve the quality of driving control. It is worth noting that the new Lantu Free is equipped with the Baidu Apollo Highway Driving Pro intelligent driving system for the first time. Currently, this system of Baidu Apollo has been verified with more than 60 million kilometers of test kilometers.